making normal slime and he's making fluffy slime.
And after I'll be doing crunchy slime and she'll be doing cloud.
So after you pour in your little bit of glue, then you just take your color and you mix it up.
Are you able to do coloring in fluffy slime?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do coloring in anything.
And for fluffy slime, I'm gonna do some blue paint, but I have to add my shaving cream first.
You just open it. Wait, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Let go! There we go. Finally, shaving cream. Woohoo! Woohoo! That's enough. Let me add some color in that. Woo! This slime is looking nice and light blue.
Whoa.
Oh
This
my
is
gosh!
what
This
mine
backfired
looks
on me. This backfired on me. This is not dark blue. This is light blue.
Yeah, because you added shaving cream. What did you think?
I don't know.
Oh, we have a puppy down here.
It's our dog, Holly. If you've seen our other slime video, the puppy picks our slime ingredients. She picked our slime ingredients, and we
and it
introduced
was kind
it.
of a little messy.
Yeah, we got a little messy on that video. Like my bowl's looking messy.
What is you coloring?
I don't know.
So after we added in our color, mine looks good.
But my color didn't really work with the shaving cream.
Well, yeah, if you do fluffy slime, you want to know that you want to add in like a lot and you maybe use drop-in coloring. So
Yeah.
next you add in your activator, which can be borax, which you just add a little pinch of borax into warm water, or you can do baking soda and contact solution, but I'm gonna just add in a little bit. Now, Michael, you can add some. You just want to start off with a little.
Alright.
Then you just take your spoon and mix. And once it's not sticking to the sides, you can
Go in with your hands and weave it. It is.
Whoa, mine is turning into slime. And also, she said that you can't avert it, but actually you can. Because if you add in too much, it can make you slime and it can be like spongy, like a sponge and bouncy.
Alright, so this time I'm gonna make crunchy slime.
And I'm making cloud slime.
So, this time I get the clear glue.
I have the white glue. And you just add in a little bit.
I'll you do glue first because I don't know how much to do. Tell me when to stop.
Go.
Yeah.
Just use the rest of it.
Is that good? That?
Use the rest of the bottle.
No.
Yeah, there's barely any left.
No. That's okay.
No, there's a lot left.
Let's see. Should I do these next?
Hey Michael, I have a question for you.
What?
Are you going to put those beads in now or after?
After.
Alright, good choice.
Now what do we need to do? Color?
Let's see. I did pink last time. So
I'm gonna do a squeezy one.
yeah, because that works better.
We learned from last time.
I'll do green.
When I did no, you can do it. Last time when I was doing my blue, it didn't work.
Well,
So.
just
No.
I think we're both gonna have to do green.
Ooh, this is very dark. Is that good?
How much are you gonna add?
I did a little too much.
can do as much as you want.
Oh, how much glue do you have in there?
It's clear so you can't see it. Oh my gosh, this looks like alien goo. This reminds me of the puppy slime video when I got green in the clear.
Oh yeah.
But this is way darker than that.
No.
Yeah, look. In that
Oh my.
in the puppy slime video it was loud. But this one I mean light, not loud. It was light.
There's
This
Michael's.
one's dark. Gosh,
Allie, let's see yours. Both look green?
Yeah, cause the.
oh, Allie, yours turned teal, Lucky. Mine looks like something that came from the planet. Where do aliens live?
Nowhere.
The planet nowhere.
Okay, so when you make cloud slime, we're doing it with instant snow. You don't add this next. You have to next. You add in your activator.
Oh no, that's
Of
good.
mine. And Michael, what are you adding next? Your activator or your beads?
Should I add an activator? Or beads? Which one?
I don't know, that's your choice. Which one is it supposed to be?
Beads? Allie, is it beads? Just tell me. Oh, Holly, what are you doing?
Alright, so you add in the beads next.
Oh, okay.
So you do your glue, then your coloring.
Oh, where do I put
Same
this?
thing for that, and then you add your beads. You do not.
Can you open this up for me? Because I don't want my spin to fall.
With the snow
Oh, I have an idea.
or the cloud slime, you activate it after you add the glue and coloring.
Boom.
You add in coloring. But with crunchy slime, you do the beads and then the activation because you do not want the beads to come out. So that's why you put it in before you activate.
Ha! Is that enough?
You can add as much as you want.
I think that's enough. Take him back out the spoon. Oh, now I need the activator.
Now you gotta mix it up.
No, I did. There, that's enough activator.
Ooh, I'm gonna go in the
I might have
clean.
added a little too much activator. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Gosh, this is so cool.
Whoa.
This looks like a green snake. It's stuck on my spoon! Oh my gosh, all my beads are dark green. This is gross.
Whoa. Mine's turning into slime now. I'm gonna go in with my hand.
Wait, yours is so cool. I'm gonna clear off all the edges. Should get everything off this edge. Should I go in with my hands?
Yeah. I need to just a tad bit more activator.
Can you add some activator in my hands?
Put it over the bowl. Actually, no, you have activator in there.
No, I need more.
No, you have activator in your bowl. You just. There.
So weird.
Well, mine's coming together. And you wanna like just do this and mix with it with your hands and knead it so that it is not sticky and all that. Ugh.
What do you think Holly's doing? Barking?
No, I'm gonna see. these slimes are turning out better this than last round and the puppy slime. Because the puppy slime one didn't turn out good as we wanted it. But I wonder where that slime went again. Do you know where it went, Michael?
What?
The slime from the puppy slime challenge.
What puppy slime?
The puppy.
Oh, puppy.
Slime.
I don't know.
Make sure you watch that if you haven't.
Yeah, if you haven't watched it, it's a really good video and funny video. Behind the scenes, we were on Allie's gymnastics mat and we got slime on her mat, and Allie got so mad at us, but we ended up cleaning it up, so that's good.
Yeah, I would not use that mat like that again.
Yeah. We should not use that mat again.
I don't know why we didn't do it.
Wait,
What? You have so much slime in your bowl.
I don't care. I don't want that much. Stop. That's not activated. I've worked so hard on this one for like the past minute. See, that one's all gross because I didn't work on it.
Oh no, it's gonna be in my.
I'll work on that later. Oh my gosh,
Get
this
this off
is
my hand.
no. You wash it. Look, my slime is so good. I love this. At the end, I don't think I might not mix this. Oh my gosh, both my slimes are so good.
Oh, I
don't
need
wanna
a
mix
paper
this.
towel. I touched Michael's slime. Somebody get me a paper towel.
Holly, get us a paper towel.
Excuse me, I need a paper towel. Hand off my hand. Michael's still working over there.
No, I'm not. I have a lot left in this bowl, so I think I might mix that at the end. This I'll leave aside because this is my precious.
Then you may wanna. No.
Probably need another container. Oh my gosh, this is like forming in a ball.
You might want to start mixing up that slime in your bowl.
What should I do with this then? I'll put it in.
So, once your slime is finished, next you have to add in the, you have to make, so you have add in like, a scoop in from here into a bowl of water, and then you add it into your slime, which I have to do.
So we mixed some of our slime from last time into this, and this stuff that's still left in this bowl, I'm gonna put in here when I'm done mixing, and at the end we'll show you guys what the final thing is like, and we'll like play with it and like activate it, because that isn't activated yet. So,
Well, kind of. Alright guys, so we finished making all of our slimes, and here are the slimes from round 1. This was a regular slime,
and this was
and mine, I think, got a little too overactivated.
Allie is sort of spongy. Remember
Yeah, like we
earlier, like you said.
And it happened to me, which I'm not quite happy, but at least it's slime.
Yeah, it's fine.
And
More
but
putty.
it forms together, and so this is
The one from the second round. This is my favorite out of all the slimes. I love this one. It's not sticky at all. It's like green, like aliens. It's so fun.
this one is mine from the second round. It is the cloud fluffy cloud slime.
Which one's your favorite of all the slimes? Not including this pink one. This is not.
I like this one here. Whoa.
My favorite out of all of them clearly is this one. This one's awesome. It gets stretched so far. Wait, let me do something for you. It's falling. Caught it. So now the big reveal.
We had put them together, but we're gonna put all of them like pig together.
So this is how all the slimes turned out mixed together. So fun. I like how the pink is like in there.
Thanks for watching, guys.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up.
Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Until next time, guys.
Peace.